It's my first time. I'm here in Astricom, and I hope I will enjoy it. I'm here to speak about our company called 2N Telecommunication. Is anyone from you familiar with this name, with 2N? How do you know 2N Telecommunication? So you're familiar with 2N Mexico? So you know most of our products, am I right? Perfect. Today, I'll be speaking about our company, like our history and what we are doing right now, our export, and I also will focus on Latin America, like a market, which I'm responsible for, and for our future. Ladies and gentlemen, I will show you how it's looking 2N telecommunication. This is 2N. Okay, it's a little bit of history. This picture is from 1994. It's like the beginning of 2N telecommunication, where we get this building and we're starting to manufacture first our GSM and PBX systems. We have started in that year, and from this year we are growing. And we are growing to this. Our 2N telecommunication company is based in Czech Republic, in Prague. Our company, it's almost 19 years on the market. The first picture you see, it was something a little bit advanced, because the first people who were manufacturing from our company were 3 owners, and they were making their own systems in the garage. And they grew from the garage to this one. Interesting, isn't it? Our company is now focused on 4 types of products. First of all, is GSM and UMTS gateways. We're focused on PBX systems, door communicators, and one special market, which is most interesting in Europe. It's lift communicators. So we are focused on 4 different types of markets. Our company, in the beginning, was selling and manufacturing products only for the Czech market, Czech and Slovak market. But about 6 years ago, we were starting to finding new markets. And within 6 years, you can see where we get. All the small red dots means one distributor or one partner we have. It's almost 120 dots. We're in all world. In every single country, you can find 2N products. Tuhan has a lot of experience with the biggest partners or biggest clients in the world. We are mostly cooperating with mobile or cell phone operators and the fixed ones. One of our biggest clients is Telefonica. I think everyone here is familiar with company Telefonica. Everyone knows it. Or Comcel. It's an operator from Colombia, from Group Claro. And the rest of our clients, banks, big stores like Tesco, is most famous in Europe, or Shell, gas station. Every client, from the big one to small one, can use our products. But what are the products? How they are looking like? First of all, we have GSM gateways. Do anyone know GSM gateways? Or is anyone from you using this type of machine? How can you use GSM gateways?
We use it for customers to back up phone service and also doing SMS and everything.
Mm-hmm.
We were doing emailing to SMS, but we're getting blocked by a lot of providers.
Where do you come from? From America? Okay. And there was someone else who said he's using GSM gateways, am I right? Perfect. The GSM gateways in the beginning were mostly meant to be used for cost saving. For example, in Latin America, in my market, when someone is calling from the fixed line to cell phone line, it costs like 3 times more. So the first idea was lowering the expenses. The GSM gateway works that you connect it to some PBX system, like Asterisk, and you're sending all the calls through the GSM network. It means you don't have to use the PSTN lines. You call directly. You just put the SIM card and you call. It means lowering expenses. It's very good for the clients where there's a big difference between the calls. It can be clients, for example, in my country, in my Latin America, this is the #1 product for everyone. Everyone needs a gateway. And not only for the calls outside the company for lowering, but they are also using it with VPN SIM cards. It means closed group SIM cards that everyone can call within each other with 0 cost. It's a great product. In Czech Republic, even if we have a flat rate, the companies are using it for the VPN SIM cards. Another benefit are the SMS messages. A lot of clients are using SMS. For example, banks. When you want to send money to another account, normally, or at least in my country, you have to receive SMS message with identification code. Every single bank has to need a GSM gateway. Marketing companies, they also need it. It's very familiar that you have cell phone, you register somewhere, and they are sending you offers. It's the GSM gateway. So with the GSM gateways, you can have a lot of clients, banks, small companies which are wanted to cut the costs. You can have the cell phone operators. You can reach every single company and get them benefit from SMS and voice. But this wasn't enough. We are thinking to get some new product, something special, because GSM market or GSM gateway is very competitive. We are trying to find some special products, something additional, like UNTS products. We are thinking to use the advantages of the GSM gateways, I was telling you before, and put one more special advantage. It's fast internet. It's high-speed internet. But why? Asterisk is mostly working on SIP, or has a SIP possibility. What we can do with this GSM gateway, or UMTS gateway, is connect to the internet. And we can use the gateway for SIP traffic. The idea is that you don't need standard ADSL connection, but you can use 3G UMTS. It's fast enough now. 7 megabits is enough for the voice traffic. If you use codec over 64 kilobytes, you can have 20 simultaneous calls. And you can also have internet. With the 3G, you can have everything. Internet, SIP, SMS, and also calls. Isn't it interesting product? You're not looking like. In your country, I can I think you can use the advantages of the VPN tariffs. Am I right? Closed groups, SIM card. That's the advantage. You can use this machine for the VPN tariffs. And also you have the benefit of internet. But this product can also guarantee you the internet backup. You have standard connection for internet. You want to give your clients something special. What will you give them? Backup. Everyone needs backup. You're making backup of your data. You're making backup of your contacts in your cell phone. And you can use this gateway for a backup of your internet connection. Amazing. We are also thinking not only focus on the GSM gateways like the normal gateways for the 4 standard situation as I was talking, but also to add something very special. We have bigger gateways in the reg versions which can give you some special functions. What are the special functions? Call recording. Yes, it's a special function. When you're calling to GSM, when you have a call center and you want to call, making calls, it's very, very difficult to record a call. In Europe, it's normal then when you're calling to cell phone operators to ask a question, they'll tell you, okay, this call is recorded. But it's very hard to make it because you have to buy a very special system and it costs a huge money. We have implemented this type of function with one of our GSM gateways. In addition, we have made a special function like a conference calls. You have a different conference rooms where you can connect through your PIN. But it's the standard function. But we have implemented something very special. I can make conference from my cell phone. I can send a message where I write the number of the clients I want to have conference, and I write time. And the gateway calls me back and connect me with the people.